to the county secretary to appoint this chief officer on behalf?
The acting chief.
Is there an authority? Is there an authority, Madam Governor?
Council,
from your documents.
Let me explain, Council.
Is there an authority? Yes or no?
These acting
Madam Governor, is there an authority?
Are directors in the same
they want a yes or no answer. Just answer. Whether you.
No one has been sourced from outside. These are directors at acting capacity awaiting.
I think, Madam Speaker, I leave the Senate to draw a conclusion on that question. Madam Governor, you can turn with me to page 68 of our volume 2. And for purposes of clarity, in the exam in chief, you stated that you did not travel to China, correct?
Yes.
You never traveled to China?
I never.
Did you seek clearance to travel to China?
Yes.
You sought clearance?
Yes.
But you never traveled?
Yes.
Okay. The document on page 68 says, and the question is, the persons in the letter that is signed by the county secretary makes reference to following the invitation of the governor of Meru County, the following technical team. The wording is technical team, correct?
Yes.
And turn with me to page 86. In that letter, you can see your name listed there as part of the persons who were supposed to travel to China, correct?
Yes.
So you never did.
I never did.
So, because, Madam Governor, your defense is that your relatives traveled as part of an advance team, yet in the letter of 5th June 2023, we see that you tried to obtain clearance on the same day. Were they traveling as part of an advance team of another team that was to come if you are in the same letter with them seeking clearance? Is that defense consistent with what we see on page 86?
Yes, it is.
Fair enough. And at page 87, Madam Governor, we see a Mr. Nefat Kenyo Meme, whose title is designated as Director External Linkages. Correct?
Yes.
And in your testimony, you say that he was an office administrator in the office of the governor.
Yes, and later moved to act in the external leakages.
And later moved to?
External leakages acting director.
Okay. Was he competitively recruited by the board in order for him to act? Okay, not competitively recruited. Let me rephrase, Madam Speaker, I'm sorry. Was he formally appointed by the board, County Public Service Board, in order for him to act as a director external linkages? Was he?
He was an
yes or no?
He was an employee of county government.
Was he appointed formally by the County Public Service Board in that acting capacity? Was he?
By the County Public Service Board?
Yes.
No.
He was not.
But by the county secretary.
By the county secretary?
Yes.
And in that advisory that I just showed you in our bundle, in that advisory by the County Public Service Board, it says that all appointments, whether acting or substantive, in all levels of the County Public Service are the exclusive responsibility, statutory responsibility of the County Public Service Board. Is that not a violation of the law, Madam Governor?
It depends with the county secretary.
Does it depend on the county secretary or what the law says? Is it a matter of discretion? Or it is a matter of about compliance with what the law says?
The county secretary council cannot do this minus any law guiding him to do this.
So what is the law then that supports your position?
That's why I want some 2 minutes to get exactly why the county secretary has power to have a director to act for some few months awaiting substantive recruitment of a chief officer.
Again, Madam Speaker, I leave the Senate to draw the necessary conclusion. In the interest of time, Madam Speaker. Madam Governor, I'll refer you to the screenshots from pages 149 of our volume 2. In your defense, you state that you're the foremost peacemaker in Meru County, correct?
Yes?
In your defense is that you're the foremost peacemaker in Meru County, correct?
And the?
Foremost peacemaker.
Yes, yes, yes.
The timestamp appearing on the screen grab at page 149 is on 20th of May, 2023, at the top, correct?
Yes.
Long before the impeachment motion was tabled?
It depends.
Between May and October 16th, how many months? Roughly 4 months actually.
Yes.
Correct? And before May 20th is before the videos you played here of the parties withdrawing your support from you. Correct?
Yes.
And on this page, Madam Governor, we see your Chief of Staff removing, the screenshots are provided by the Deputy Governor for information. Your Chief of Staff removed him from this WhatsApp group. You will agree? At least you were a member of that group. You saw that, correct?
I'm a member.
Who are the other members of the group?
So many, I don't know the number, but so many members.
Including members of the public?
Yes.
As per your defense. And at pages 155 in the other group, you can turn me to 155. We also see that the Honorable Mutia, Chief Officer, removed the Deputy Governor from this group, which is on May 27th, correct?
Yes.
And in the interest of time, I'll refer you to page 160. This is a screen grab of your message about Kuchoma Jeshi that you are referred to by your counsel, correct?
Yes.
And your most disturbing message on page 163, a transcript of which, Madam Speaker, is on page 446 of our volume 2, correct? Madam Governor, where you say, and DG mobilized fuel levy.
Yes.
Can you read that aloud, that message?
Yes, I can see the message.
I want you to read it aloud.
I can see it's Kitabu Kanata was copy pasted again.
No, turn to page 163 where it's Governor Mwangaza. Page 163.
Where is Governor Mwangaza here?
On the top. That is your message, Governor.
Okay. And the DG mobilized fuel levy.
Okay.
I continue?
Let's continue.
Pamwe pagashwa uria pakamia mbira ya mbokando ukabaigwa.
Okay. What did you mean, Governor, by those words?
I meant that the DG mobilized fuel levy.
Okay.
As you saw in the clip.
I did not see, but go on.
As we saw in the...
No, just proceed, Governor. I'm not a witness.
Then I said, some will try to see things easy, according to the proverb, and they will get hard way.
They will?
They will get hard way.
Madam Speaker, the correct translation is on page 446. I don't want to spend much time on it, because it seems the governor would not as
it's a proverb. In the real sense, how do you have
no harm, Madam Governor, no harm. And this was way before that video by the DG. That was way before.
No.
When was this message written?
It was after.
You see, Madam Governor, we can follow through all the way from May 20th to May 27th, correct? When the DG was removed from the group. And the video that you played here by the DG was on 20th September.
And this WhatsApp group, you get a message and then you repost again using the same message.
So are you saying you reposted this message after 20th September?
Not myself, but the person is kenyatta.
No, but Madam Governor, it is your message. I'm not concerned with the message by Kenyatta. I'm talking about your message. I'm talking about your message. So after 20th September, you still reposted this message, despite having posted it before.
Yes, it was after the verification by the deputy.
You have posted this message twice. That is what you're saying. You cannot have it both ways, Madam Governor.
After the verification.
And Madam Governor, turn to page 170, where you make reference to the DG. Please read the message aloud. They want him to recover what?
Yeah. They want him to recover what? Mtosho invested every kuweka jina kwa ballot paper is investment worth CEC finance surely, and gratefulness is a curse. Results coming up.
Governor, I will tell you, so that I move away from that issue, that the message at page 174, where you malign your deputy, the message at 176.
What about this one that I've just read?
And the message at 179 are all inconsistent with your theme that you are the foremost peacemaker in Meru County. True or correct? True or false?
False.
Okay, let us move. Madam Speaker, at this point I'll request the Secretary to play video in support of Kamdre video number 3A.
Secretariat, you got it? Which one, Council?
3A.
3A. Display
3A, yes.
3A. What's happening?
Madam Speaker, maybe can my time stop running as we prepare?
Technical staff, what's happening? Did you say 3A?
3A, yes, Madam Speaker.
Is there a problem with 3A? Council, are you able to go to another question as they prepare? Or
Madam Speaker, at this point I wanted the videos to be played in quick succession, in the interest of time, so that I ask the questions that all the 4 videos have been played.
Who submitted that video? Is it a flash disk